Hey guys, this is Saurabh and today I am showing you video based on storage and database services in Google Cloud Platform. But before that, please subscribe my channel and keep updated with the latest and upcoming videos based on the cloud and automation. So as you guys know that every application that hosted in any cloud platform like it GCP or AWS or Azure that needs to store some data, whether it is business data or media streaming or sensor data for devices or any backup, anything, any type of transactional data, anything, any logs. So that need to be stored at somewhere in GCP or in any other cloud. So, considering this, GCP offers a lot of many services as per that are different as per requirement. There are storage for object and there are some database services there you can store your logs and your transactional data, anything. So, uh, in this video, I will cover storage for objects and file, for relational data, for non-relational data. I will also discuss with the warehouse and also the data storage if you want to store data in memory. That is, I will discuss some about Redis. So first is cloud storage. So basically, cloud storage where you can store your binary data or object data like images, media, and backup of anything, application backup, your repository backup, and your database backup. So basically, the main use case of this cloud storage is that website content and large data object to use basically users data like users images, users any media files, anything. And cloud storage is scalable to exabytes, means there is no if you can say there is no limit, you can store till exabyte of data. And it to retrieve data means to retrieve the data it take milliseconds only, and it is very highly available across all the storage classes. And so basically you can use API to retrieve these data using in you can use this in your application. So for cloud storage there are different types of cloud storage in Google cloud that I will discuss later uh, on this video. Now let's move to the file storage. So file storage is nothing just like in earlier in dedicated infrastructure or in your uh, in previous days you have already used NFS. So something like that. It is a network attached storage and fully managed. Basically, it is fully managed by the cloud, fully managed by the Google Cloud. And it is good for latency sensitive workload. Suppose that if you want to share some files or some data across different EC2 instances, or if you want to use in your containers, so for that you can use file storage. And this is basically fully NFS v3 support, and it scales up to hundreds of TBs for high performance workloads. Now we will discuss with relational databases. So there are three types of relational database in GCP. One is Cloud SQL, then another one is, and second is Cloud Spanner, and third one is LOIDB. So in most of the cases in e-commerce companies and any web application, basically we use Cloud SQL. It is good for web frameworks such as CMS and e-commerce company. And you can use MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Microsoft SQL Server in Cloud SQL. So basically, you have to just maintain your data. Yeah, you don't need to worry about how to manage, how to maintain your database. And the most important thing is that in Cloud SQL, you can connect from within the cloud in your GCP, or from outside of the cloud. Basically, if you have uh, some services which are in your on-premises services that you want to use, and you want to connect with the Cloud SQL, so that is also this facility is also available in Cloud SQL. And next is Cloud Spanner. So Cloud Spanner is very highly available RDBMS service of Google Cloud. Basically, you can scale up to petabyte size, and it has very strong consistency. You can and highly available. That means uh, you can use different in this architecture. You can spread it different zones as well. Even it can be, you can say that it can be multi-regional also, regional as well as multi-regional, in multi zones within a region, and you can also connect two different or three different regions using Cloud Spanner. And the last one is AlloyDB. AlloyDB is a hybrid transactional and analytical processing database that can be used with the machine learning and generative AI. And so basically its main feature is it is fully managed database service and fast transactional processing. Its processing is very fast and highly available, and it gives the real-time business insights. So that's why it is used. You can use this in machine learning, and if you are uh, creating any AI application, something like that. Now, let's discuss about the non-structural data. Oh, sorry, NoSQL data. So, in this, there are two main services. One is Firestore and another is Cloud Bigtable. So, Firestore is basically used for mobile application, web application, and for any storing user profile and game storage of game state. It is a very powerful query engine. So, its main features are it is a powerful query engine. It supports multi-region replication, and the most important thing, it support ACID transactions. So ACID transaction means the properties of ACID transaction, like atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. So it highly support to the ACID transaction. Next is Cloud Bigtable. If your application require heavy read and writes events, and you are using any IoT applications, any IoT devices which is currently sending data, then you can use Cloud Bigtable as a backend. It is very easy integration with open source big data tools. Even if you are using any tool outside of the Google Cloud, then you can integrate with the Cloud Bigtable. It is good for storing more than 1 TB structured data, and it also support ML applications, machine learning applications. So, if the difference is that, so if you have to consider what we should use, Firestore or Cloud Bigtable. So, just first consider the storing. If you want to store more than 1 TB of structured data, you can easily go with the Cloud Bigtable. Otherwise, you can go with the Firestore. And one more difference in between Firestore and Cloud Bigtable is that Bigtable scales up well. Means if you are scaling up, big table is very fast and very good. If you are scaling down, in that case, Firestore is very good compared to the big table. So that is the difference. And now another service is warehouse. So basically, it is a BigQuery. The service name is BigQuery. Here you can store any enterprise data, and it is used for analytics dashboard. So basically, BigQuery is fully managed and AI-ready data analytics platform that Google gives you. It helps to maximize value from your data, and it is designed for multi-engine, multi-format, multi-cloud. You can store up to 10 GB of data and run up to 1 TB of queries for free per month. Another is Redis. So basically, it is a memory store. It basically it is a if you want to store any data which is easily available, and you just want to store in you don't care about if you lost your data. So that is for this is a memory store. It is automatic, complex, Redis and memcache task. Its network throughput is 12 Gbps and in-memory data store service. Data is not persistent. When your service is running, data is available. After that, data will be lost. Now, let's discuss what are the object storage type. So there are 4 types of object storage in GCP. One is standard, nearline, cold line, and archive. So these are depend based on the use cases. So if you are using data which is very frequently available to the application, then you go with the standard object storage. And here the data will stay for 30 days. Suppose if you have not used data or you have not accessed any object in last 30 days, it will automatically move to the nearline. In nearline, the object is stored for 60 days. So after 30 days, if data is not accessed, if object is not accessed, it will automatically move to the nearline. And in nearline, it stay for 60 days. And after 60 days, means after 60 plus 30, after 90 days, if object is not accessed for 90 days, it automatically move to the cold line. And in cold line, object stays for 275 days. And after, suppose in any object is not accessed for 365 days, it automatically move to the archive. And in archive, it stays until it is accessed or until it is deleted. So this is the automatic process you can define using the lifecycle process in object storage. So it is a very good feature of GCP where you can automate this process. So guys, I hope you like my this video, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and keep updated with the latest and upcoming videos. Thank you.